The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of the oldest and most mysterious buildings in the world. Scientists have explored it for years. Some of the biggest surprises are hidden beneath the surface. The Great Pyramid is about 481 feet tall. That's almost as tall as a 40-story building, and taller than the Statue of Liberty. It was made with over 2.3 million stone blocks. Some of them weigh as much as an elephant. Scientists have found tunnels, shafts, and chambers beneath the pyramid. Some of these may have been used for transporting materials or for special ceremonies long ago. In 2017, scientists from Japan and France used a special technology called muon tomography to scan inside the Great Pyramid. They discovered a hidden void, a large empty space, above the Grand Gallery inside the pyramid. Muon tomography works kind of like X-rays, but it uses tiny cosmic particles from space to see inside things, like giant stone pyramids. Others use radar to see under the pyramids. This helps scientists find secrets hidden underground without digging. Many features are still a mystery. Were they part of how the pyramids were built? Were they for ceremonies? Or maybe something we haven't even thought of yet? Scientists are still working hard to understand these ancient structures. And every new discovery brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of ancient Egypt. Thanks for exploring with us today. Keep asking questions and stay curious. The mysteries of the pyramids aren't all solved yet, and there's always more to discover. Stay tuned for more adventures and discoveries from around the world with Glotty.